Today I'll show you a way of folding a paper into 3 using the estimation method. I usually fold my paper into 3 by having a guess and then folding the other end to that guess. So if your guess is a bit long, then you're going to end up with 1 long piece and 2 shorter pieces. Let's call the length of the shorter pieces x and the remainder of the longer piece y. Now, what would we need to do in order to make them all equal? You'd make 1 shorter and 2 longer, and they would all equal x plus y on 3. So if we were to refold the longer piece so it's now x plus y on 3, that would mean we're taking away 2/3 of y and adding 2/3 of y onto the middle piece. So now the end piece is now 1/3 y shorter than the middle piece. So let's start by putting in the guess, making sure that it's a little bit longer than 1/3. Just put in a tiny crease. Now fold the other end up to that crease. Again, don't make that crease too big. Now visualize the length of that leftover and what 1/3 of that leftover would look like. Now refold that longer piece, bringing up to within 1/3 of the leftover of the other crease. You can crease a little longer now. Now refold the other edge to that crease. And it should be pretty good. Now let's see what happens if our guess is a little short. You'll end up with 1 short piece, let's call it x, and 2 pieces of x plus y. That means the amount to be distributed is 2y, and so each piece will receive 2y over 3. So let's see what that looks like. If you take 1/3 y off one of the pieces and add it back to the middle piece, the two sides will be x plus 2/3 y and x plus 4/3 y. That means when you fold it back up, it'll be 2/3 of the difference shorter than the middle piece. So let's fold this piece a bit short. Fold the other side to match. And visualize what 2/3 of the gap would be. And fold this end piece up to leave 2/3 of a gap. You can crease it a bit firmer now. And the end result should be pretty good.